Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have a multi-purpose banner. These are three different design in PSD file. First I show you can adjust your logo here, write your any title, and here is different design but size is equal. These are side banner. Okay, so first I drag this file in Photoshop. You see here in layer area discount sale, this is just a stamp here. You can increase size or you can write anything. You can adjust shape color like this. Double click here and you can adjust. Here is circle color. These are font. Wow, okay, you can do easily. So I close this file and you see in layer size, different size, and you can extract any poster or banners like this. For example, I click on here and I try to change color. You can see pink, dark pink, okay, red, wow, green, yellow, and bloody color. Okay, these are color, and here apply gradient overlay. Why normal? You select any color or design. So I close this file and you can adjust your image here, change color, write anything like you can change one by one. So I close this file and open another file, drag. Same here, you can change everything. You can adjust your image here. For example, I open any other image like this. Size is convert to 100 or 300. Okay, and drag here. Control S for saving, and you see here the design. You can adjust more deep. Wow, you can change color, you can write any title. I know you can do. Here is same files. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah.